Bo ensemo ya sengera manga nikobona tebire una epara eyo hekurwa hasensemo ya ngenyi mutemo mwamu negati ya makongu haribagwetera gukora egasi ya serikali ase enseme yo ya manga
akwerera ayonsi nigo omusike Clive Gesairo alireira yogo chakorosia epare yo ya ngenyi mutemo mwamu eikigocha ekero baganyete omo contractor gosomo nyakonda aibeke erami elinde chikorobya obokoreri sechinsemecho Olikito Vincent Munda Namange.
The roads are impassable, so even chasing a lame thief is very difficult using a vehicle.
Oyo nomo sieso Senkramanga Station Inspector Charles Ouma okwerera makongu ara sensemeyo ya manga kali mutuyo muchumbe bworogongo Clive Gesairo ekero bari kuchengera litukulia abanyangongo ime ya kemera. Ouma nigagoteba amacha abeiro muchando naboige pare gweta manga gocha mutemo mwamu ya mutantanire mono asobokoreri bwae naboigo gocha saba menyi ba manga.
Waters are not running there, so we sometimes come up to here to have bathing water. So it is becoming problematic to officers when they are posted here. Quite a number don't want to be here because they say it is an operation area and they are not receiving operation allowance or hardship allowance. This area is very difficult.
Buninjira ya moyo kwenekia amagendero nigagotebe pare yokera bebuya banyoro bonchiri obonge ime ya manga bunabalia bakorose chindagera echichira bakonyane mono bunabalia bamenyete batali nabarugi babo.
Because it is just here where we can even eat. Me, I'm very old. I can't cook there. So it means I come up to here. And my wife is very old. She can't come and live with me here. So we need people to pitch business premises there, hotels that can accommodate us minus our families who are at home.
Wanauma niga muboririo muchumbe bworogongo musike Gesairo ane kibuna epare yo yabeire boronge eliesiro bokoreri bwaye buno mo CS.
We have problems these days because economic and the dynamics of the nowadays crime is very high. So we need to be steps ahead, and the steps ahead means we should also have good infrastructure. By that, the roads must be passable so that we chase them and catch up with them with immediate effect and when they think they are in their comforts. Thank you, sir.
Engane yo nigo yakuneto musike Gesairo abwasata ebete chipara chiri chonsi chibwato mochanda se bunge ya Kitutu Masaba.
Chipara chibwato bokongu manga mutemo mwamu kemera kiendege eberege keumbu kwerende gachuba keumbu ne chipare echo echire contract yerami. Anybody who is sensible, anybody who can read, anybody who understands the law knows where the problem is.
Wana sengane yo omusike Gesairo nigalire ira yogo chako korole bare yo ya manga ewiki etogosoa elio eteke.
Kwa sababu munalia, wakati mulinichagua niliingia mfukoni mwangu nikatoa milioni 5 nikatengeneza barabara ya manga mutemo mwamu nchetindi mwoba. Next week ninarudi kwa mfuko wangu natengeneza hiyo barabara iendelee kupitika.
Vincent Munda, Ensoko TV.